Sir, my name is Rishikesh Kumar. Today I am going to create cart management system with OOPS. Now let's start our program. First of all, I'll taking parameter as a name of product, price, manufacturing date, and brand name, and adding some function. First of all, add item in cart, show item of the cart, search item using name, remove item with id, and exit from the cart. Now let's start. First of all, take class as a product, and I am giving id of the product initialized from 1, and now using dunder function init self as a parameter and args. Now taking name attribute as the args at the 0th position, and self dot id is equal to product dot next id, and product dot next id increment with every time 1, and self dot price is equal to args at the first position, and same with the manufacturing date and brand name. This is the third position and this is the second position. And now I creating the main function def display items. First, to the self by the parameter print. First of all, I print product name with the help of self dot name as a par, and same with the price id manufacturing date brand name. Product price id manufacturing date brand name. Align with the same position for the look good. And now forward to our main function name main, and here is I am creating the empty list as a item list is equal to empty list. And now using while, first of all print add keep add item in cart. Second, show all items. Third one is search item using name, and fourth is remove item with ID, and fifth is exit from the cart, exit from the loop. And now I create a choose variable as a integer input, enter the choice from given options. If choice is equal to 1, then take item name as a variable input, enter the item name, and we are taking try price as a integer format, and input, enter the price of item, and accept value error, the print invalid price, please enter the valid price, and continue with the taking another attributes name is the manufacturing date as a input, enter manufacturing date of item, and last one is the brand name as a input, enter the item brand name, and I create item details, product is a product passing item name, price, manufacturing date and brand name with the help of parameter. And now I am going to append into the empty list item list dot append item details, and now print a message item has been added successfully in cart. And go to the next line and choice number second. Show the all items if not product item list, then print cart is empty, please add item in cart. And now else for item in item list, then item dot display item. And now go to the last but not last, this is the choice number third. That one is search item using no name. I am creating search name as a variable. Input, enter the item name to search in cart. And now for items in item list, if item dot name dot lower equal to search name, then print item. Items. Otherwise else print searched item not found in cart list, and forward to the next choice. That one is fourth choice. In remove product with ID. PID is equal to integer format, the input from the user, enter the product ID to remove item. Now item list is equal to item for item in item list. If item dot id not is equal to p product id, then print f of product with product ID is removed from the card list if existed. Now move to the next choices. Choice number 5. Print thanks for using cart management system. Goodbye.
मुझसे कहकर जाते हैं.
And adding break, and now else parties print invalid choice. Please enter the valid choice. Now let's try to run this program. Here is I got functions, that is add item in cart, and item name is this food. Their price is 50 rupees, manufacturing date suppose 12/8/2025 and brand name Britannia. Item has been added successfully in cart. Now suppose add one more item, that is rice. Their price is 110, manufacturing date none, and brand name India Gate. And now I successfully added two items in our carts, and let's try to the show the cart item. Now check, here is got errors. Item dot display item display items. Sorry, I got some mistake here. That was items, because of here is only not item. Now let's start from 0. 1 is the biscuit, biscuit 50 12/8/2025 and brand name Britannia, and item got successfully added in our cart. First choice, and item name basmati rice. Price 110 and manufacturing date none, brand name India Gate. I added successfully two items in our carts. Let's show our items. Here is I got mistake some in our program. I shit. I made mistake the f of. Now that is the good. I take exit from the program and now run again. Add item in our carts. Biscuit, their price is 50, manufacturing date 12/8/2025, brand name Britannia. Item got added successfully in our cart. First option, and second item is basmati rice. Price is 110, manufacturing date is suppose 12/5/2025, brand name India Gate. Item had been successfully added. Let's show the second. here is item name biscuit, price is 50 rupees, product id 1, manufacturing date itna, and second item is brand name is Britannia, and second item is same. Here is basmati rice 110, product id 2, and manufacturing date itna. And now let's move to the third, search item using the name. Suppose item name is biscuit. Oh, I again make mistakes here. Oh, I finally found a mistake here. Is I'm not I take print, but this is not the right way. I can items dot display items, then item will be print. Display display. Here. Now exit from the program and run again it. First of all, add item biscuit, their price and their manufacturing date and brand name. Item got added successfully in our cart. And again second item is basmati rice, price 110, manufacturing date none, and brand name India Gate. And let's try to the show items. Item got successfully sold here. And now third one is search using name, then that is biscuit. And item founded, that is the name biscuit, Britannia, MRP is 45, product ID is itna. And now let's try to fourth option with remove with ID. Suppose ID is 2, product with ID 2 is removed from the cart list if existed. And now let's try to the our show all item function, and there is only one item printed. So first of all, we make a class that is the product with the ID starting ID with 1 and def using the dunder function init and self as a parameter, and args is the argument, and attributes name, ID, price, manufacturing date and brand name with the position 0, 1, 2 and 3. And now display the product name, product price, product ID, product manufacturing date and product brand name. And now try to the main function, right? First of all, I create the empty item list, and then we use while loop until the user get exit from the program. First of all, first add item in cart, show item second, third is search item using name, fourth is remove item with the IDs, and fifth is exit from the loop. And now I make a variable that is choice is a integer format, enter the choice from the given options from 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now first of all, if choice is equal to 1, then I print here, take item name from the user as an input and try to the try to put price there as an integer format, and take input from the user. There is why are using try, because of try to the, if our price, suppose I forget to written here, then simply this is not given error. So simply print this message, that is the invalid price, please enter the valid price, and then jump to our loop. And now this variable name of manufacturing date as an input and brand name as an input from the user. And now this is the item details of our item, and passing through the class product as a product class as a parameter, item name, price, manufacturing date, and brand name. Here is the item list, that is the empty list in our program. Here is the empty list. Now if item list dot append item details, there is the I simply write a message, item has been added successfully in our cart. Now move to our second choice is show the item of the cart. If item not available, cart is empty, please add an item in cart. Else for item in item list, item dot display items. And now third choice is search name of product. We are creating the search name variable as an input from the user, and now take for loop of the item list as there is stored some item, and if items their name dot lower is equal to same search name, that is the match the criteria, then item got displayed. Otherwise item search, simply print this message, that is search item is not found in the list. And third is the fourth is the choice number 4, that is the product ID as an integer format as a input from the user, and there is the item list that where our product is stored. And now using the list comprehension through this loop, item for item in item lists, and if item id is not equal to product id, then print product with the id removed from the cart list if existed. Now last is fifth number choice, that is the thanks for using our cart management system, and break our program. And last one is the I put else, because of if user gets input, user get user press input invalid choice, then print this message. So thank you.